I've never known it crash so much. This is just incredible. Okay, so guys, if you want to join us in the temple, thanks Kari. If you want to join us in the temple, like I said, this is the lowest availably price-wise. It will be, when I open again, the price will be higher because this is like the founding members. We're closing tomorrow because I'm starting with our full moon temple healing on Sunday. If you haven't joined us and you feel drawn to joining us, thanks Lisa, and you would like to join us, if you write temple in the comment box, hopefully my angel will automatically get back to you. If not, you can message me and I'll also put a link as well. You literally have got less than 24 hours, so if you do, then oh, I'm glad, Dawn, I'm glad you enjoyed that. And then we can really go so much deeper with the temple work, because we can run that energy and then also really support the integration with the workshops and the frequency meditations for the rest of the month. So I'm so looking forward to just getting going with the temple now. It's been such a long time. This has like literally been 2 years in the making. So I'm really, really excited, and it's like I just can't wait to really dive in and start supporting you guys in a whole new way. So really thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining us, because thanks Kathleen, because without you I can't move on, and you know, it's just how beautiful how it works. So thank you for letting me be of service to you. I'm absolutely feel so humble in that. I really do, and so grateful. So thank you. Take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And if you have any questions at all about the temple, then just let me know. Okay, take care. Bye.